Ready to turn your chips into a winning machine on Pokerstars? Dive into the mastery of strategic stacks and unveil the blueprint to skyrocketing your earnings. Stay tuned! Welcome to Digital Earnings Expert. Today we're diving into the realm of strategic stacks on Pokerstars to amplify your earnings. Stay with us till the end, as the strategies unfolded here could be your game changer in mastering the poker tables. Let's conquer the Pokerstars arena together. Pokerstars is a playground for poker enthusiasts worldwide, offering a platform to turn skill into real money. The essence of consistent winning here transcends luck. It's about strategy and a calculated approach. Now, a fundamental aspect of poker strategy revolves around understanding stacks. In simple terms, a stack is the total amount of chips a player has on the table. It's like your ammo in the battlefield, dictating the strength of your bets and moves. Effective stack management is like having a well-oiled machine in a race. It's essential, as it's what will drive your actions and ultimately your success on the table. Now onto strategic stacks. Think of these as predetermined bankroll divisions aimed at capitalizing on specific tournament stages. It's like having a roadmap in a treasure hunt, guiding you on when to save and when to splurge your chips. Different tournament stages call for varying strategic approaches. Knowing how to adapt your stack to these stages can amplify your winning potential significantly. In the early stages, it's all about laying a solid foundation. When blinds are low and stack sizes are hefty, it's wise to tread cautiously. It's not about making big moves, but about preserving your stack. Think of this stage as the time to play it safe, avoiding risky maneuvers. Your goal is to stay in the game and accumulate chips gradually. Having a deeper stack here is like having a safety net, allowing you to make correct decisions without sweating over losses. Transitioning into the middle stages of the tournament, the dynamics shift. The blinds start growing, nibbling away at stack sizes. This is your cue to shift gears into a more aggressive play style. With a strategic stack at this point, you should have an adequate chip count to wield against your opponents. It's about spotting opportunities to accumulate chips by outsmarting the players across the table and snagging blinds when the timing hits right. It's a tightrope walk between aggression and calculated risks. The goal? Building a formidable stack that'll hold its ground as you inch closer to the final table. Feeling inspired? Let the inspiration flow. Hit subscribe, leave a like, and ring the bell for a constant stream of motivation. Ready for another dose? Let's get back to it. As the tournament sails into the late stages, the stakes skyrocket. The blinds are hefty, and players' stacks have slimmed down. This is where your strategic stack morphs into your sword and shield. You've nurtured a stack that now allows you to dominate the game and control the table dynamics. It's about employing aggression with a pinch of caution, forcing your opponents into a corner, making them commit costly mistakes. Maintaining a disciplined approach, picking your battles wisely, can keep the pressure mounted on your opponents. With a commanding stack, the final table isn't a far-fetched dream, and neither is taking home a significant payout. Now let's sprinkle in some key strategies to bolster your strategic stacks. Positional awareness is your compass on the poker table. Your position relative to the dealer button is crucial, influencing your decisions and how you exploit your opponent's weaknesses. Bankroll management is another cornerstone of your strategy. Even with strategic stacks, keeping a tight leash on your bankroll is imperative. Allocating a specific portion of your funds for strategic stack building can safeguard you from overcommitting. It's about striking a balance, ensuring you don't go broke in a single tournament. It's the discipline and bankroll management that often separates the seasoned players from the novices. Now, poker is a dynamic game with shifting sands. Even with a strategic stack, adaptability is key. It's about being fluid, adjusting your stack size to the rhythm of the table dynamics. The ability to analyze the flow of the game, make informed decisions on the fly, and tweak your stack size can be a game changer. It's about having a strategy, but also the flexibility to deviate when the game calls for it. Strategic stacks are more than just a concept. They are a tool, a calculated approach to navigating the stormy seas of Pokerstars tournaments. It's about prepping for the battle, armed with a plan to capitalize on each stage of the tournament. By marrying strategic stacks with key strategies like positional awareness and bankroll management, you're not just playing the game, you're playing it smart. It's about transforming your passion for poker into a profitable venture on Pokerstars. With dedication, practice, and a strategic mind, the potential of strategic stacks is there for the taking. So, dive into the realms of strategic stacks, understand the rhythm of poker tournaments, adapt your stack to the beat of the game, and watch as your profits on Pokerstars soar. Still glued to the screen? Perfect! A jackpot moment awaits you. Engage with a free ebook that radiates insights into the leading online business to instantiate today. Yet, the thrill extends beyond. Post your ebook indulgence. A scintillating 15-day challenge unfurls, exquisitely designed for this distinct business landscape. With seasoned guidance, penetrating insights, and a compendium of instrumental tools, you're on a runway to online stardom. Sensing the thrill? Make your move! Hit the link in the description now and skyrocket towards a horizon of digital affluence. End of today's e-earning tips. Tried it? Have thoughts or questions? Share below. Find today's advice profitable? Press like to endorse. For a constant flow of income tips, subscribe and hit the bell, ensuring you never miss a beat. But before you leave, see the suggested video? It's loaded with another fantastic money-making method. Click and continue the journey to financial growth. Until next time.